Now, our next step is to make it so that our scratch cat will say what the conversion is depending on where we started and where we're currently standing. So while we're on sprite 2, which is our dot, go to events and click on when green flag clicked. Now this next step is going to require a lot of if statements. So be careful with how you are writing it because it's very repetitive. So let's click on our control and click on forever. Now we always want to be going to where our scratch cat is. So let's pull out go to where it says go to mouse pointer in motion and place that right inside the forever loop. Instead of mouse pointer though, we want to click on sprite 1. Okay? Next we go to control. And we want to pull out we'll start with just the first one. So we'll start with just one if statement to start, okay? So now we'll take out a sensing block and we'll just check first if we're touching kilometers. So if we're touching kilometers, then we want to take out an if statement for every possible starting position, which is kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, and milli. So we need 7 more if statements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And now we need to check if our start is equal to each of the different sprite names. So we'll pull out this equal sign for each if statement and place it inside of each. Then click on data and drag start into each of the first squares of each of these equal signs. Now here we will type kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, and milli. And now we'll go over to looks. We want to take out, for the first one, since the starting position is the same as our initial if statement, our if touching kilo right here. Since if start equals kilo, that means it's the same as where we currently are. So we'll just have it say nothing for 0.01 seconds. That way it's immediate. It won't even show that he's saying anything. So he will just be there with nothing happening. Okay? And now pull out say hello and place it in all the other if statements. Now, if start is hecto, we are converting a hectometer or a hectoliter or any unit. We're converting from hecto to kilo. So we want to divide hecto by 10. Okay? And then here we will write divide deca by 100, divide unit by 1,000, and we continue on with this, just adding a 0 to the end. Oops, I wrote unit again. To the end of each value. Divide milli by